Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best gas forges. It doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or a pro, a good blacksmith forge is a must if you want to make high-quality blades. However, bladesmithing isn't as easy as it seems, and the numerous options on the market just add to that challenge, especially if you're a beginner. To help you out, we have prepared for you the best gas forges that'll be of great use for making various types of blades. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth gas forge in our list is the Simon Store Portable Propane Gas Forge, which trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This portable gas forge by Simon Store is designed for convenience and power, and let us tell you why. First off, it heats up in minutes, saving you time and fuel. The heavy-duty SS304 burner nozzle comes with an adjustable air choke valve, giving you precise control over the air and propane mixture. There's also the 1-inch thick ceramic fiber blanket-lined heating zone, which can withstand high-velocity firing and reach temperatures up to 2600 degrees Fahrenheit for efficient welding. Monitoring is easy with a check pressure manometer and ball valve for independent gas control. Safety is covered with a reliable hose and regulator made of quality materials. The regulator is made from brass casting, while the hose is constructed from steel wire reinforced with premium quality silicone rubber. On top of that, it also features 2 hose clamps for a secure connection. The forge measures 16.81 by 15.55 by 13.54 inches and weighs 24.7 pounds, making it perfect for portability. One small limitation that our team finds worth noting, though, is its narrow size, but considering its portability, we can let this one slip. The Trusted Shop Guy team recommends this for individuals with compact workshops or those interested in making smaller knives. The fourth gas forge in our list is the Mr. Volcano Hero 2, which trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. For those looking for a versatile and high-value option, you need to check this one out. The Hero 2 features dual burners that heat up quickly and evenly, reaching an impressive 2600 degrees Fahrenheit. This means efficient and effective forging for your projects. Durability is not an issue as well. It's equipped with a 1-inch high-density super wool extra low bio-persistent fiber blanket, ensuring reliability and safety. Plus, it emits no harmful crystalline silica when exposed to high heat. Adjustability is a breeze thanks to the adjustable choke, allowing you to control the airflow for optimal performance. What's more, the kit includes essential tools like magma fire breaks, a propane hose with a regulator, and an instruction manual. Everything you need to get started. With its compact size of 16 by 9 by 7.75 inches and a weight of 26 pounds, our team finds the Hero 2 a conveniently portable yet incredibly powerful forge. Just keep in mind that it has one tiny limitation. This one can handle knives longer than 16 inches. The Trusted Shop Guy team recommends this for individuals looking for a highly versatile forge for making a variety of knives. The third gas forge in our list is the ATkrou GY200 Propane Forge, which trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The ATkrou GY200 is the ideal choice for heat treating various items. It's a double burner that boasts a unique double-door design. This feature allows you to heat the steel up highly efficiently by closing its 2 doors, which saves both time and propane. Boasting plasma surface treatment paired with heavy-duty stainless steel construction, this forge is the ideal choice for high-temperature environments. Its interior is insulated with a 1400-grade ceramic fiber blanket that allows temperatures up to 2600 Fahrenheit in order to maintain high temperatures. This also enables you to work even without the rigidizer or refractory. For maximum convenience, we would also like to make mention that the GY200 also features side viewing holes that allow you to check the heating process even when the doors are closed. To back up its stability, this unit even has 10 pieces of stainless steel mounting hardware fixed to its ceramic fiber insulation surface. One small gripe when using this forge, however, is that it doesn't include a hardener before you get to work, so it's necessary to purchase one beforehand for any forging you plan on doing. The Trusted Shop Guy team recommends this for those who need optimum heat distribution for a number of crafts. The second gas forge in our list is the VEVOR Portable Propane Forge, which trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Looking for a forge with ample size? Check out the VEVOR unit. This forge offers a spacious workspace, allowing for optimal exposure to the flame center spot, all thanks to its large chamber volume. Not only that, but it's also built with a 1.5mm pure iron cold rolled plate, ensuring exceptional durability and rigidity, making it a reliable long-term investment. Performance-wise, this unit can reach a maximum heating temperature of 2,462 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for forging various metals. Plus, its high-purity aluminum silicate fiber insulation blanket and forge lid help maintain stable temperatures over extended periods. But that's not all. This unit is designed for convenience with its spinning knob on the gas pressure regulator, allowing for easy temperature balance, and a ball valve for independent gas switching. And guess what? The kit includes all the essentials you'll need, from high-temperature gloves and tongs to gas hoses, a pressure regulator, refractory bricks, and more. Measuring 23.6 by 5.7 by 7 inches internally and 23.6 by 7.1 by 9.3 inches externally and weighing 34 pounds, this forge offers a decent size for virtually all your forging needs. Now, it's worth mentioning that the installation process may be a bit tedious. However, once you have it set up, this forge performs exceptionally well. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for individuals wanting to make large-sized blades such as combat or hunting knives. The best gas forge in our list is the Castmaster Elite CMF 3000 Blacksmith Forge, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. We've saved the best for last. Being the only triple-burner propane forge on the list, we have the Castmaster Elite. With this unit, you'll be able to work on long blades with its 3 independent burners or simply focus on a single burner. Built for superior performance, this propane forge is pre-lined with a 2-inch thick fireproof layer of cow wool ceramic fiber insulation, which allows temperatures as high as 2,300 degrees Fahrenheit. It also features a removable lid to ensure maximum temperature control inside the forge. With a strong metal outer shell constructed from 16-gauge metal, it ensures optimum strength, durability, and longevity. As an all-in-one set, this forge comes with 3 heat bricks, a tough regulator hose, and metal tongs to get you started right away. Our team would also like to take note of its easy assembly process. The Castmaster Elite doesn't require any tools to set up, all thanks to its large wing nuts that hold the unit securely together. The unit is also the heaviest in our list, weighing a total of 59.9 pounds. For safety, however, our team recommends using a rigidizer and a refractory agent to prevent fine fibers from entering your lungs. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for serious professional blacksmiths who need to forge larger blades or even swords. And there you have it, folks, our best gas forges, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next Gas Forge Roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.